Hey, what's up? Hassan here. In this video today we compare three best smartphones, which is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE versus Samsung Galaxy A73 versus Samsung Galaxy M54. So let's see full video. Display, display type, display size, resolution, screen to body ratio, aspect ratio, pixel density, always on display, refresh rate, architecture, body design, body weight, body height, body width, body thickness, SIM slot, volt, has colors, storage, has RAM, has memory, platform, has chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, rear camera, rear camera megapixel, second camera megapixel, third camera megapixel, has LED flash, autofocus, digital zoom, video records, selfie camera, selfie camera megapixel, HDR camera, video records, connectivity, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, has GPS, has GLONASS, has Galileo, Wi-Fi direct, mobile hotspot, has NFC, infrared port, 5G network, USB charging, has OTG, sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, compass, proximity, barometer, altimeter, battery, battery type, battery capacity, battery charging, sound feature, loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack, launch, launch date, market status, price, price USD. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe. Gatgets Compare.